Possibly what you have heard also when I was in the high school was the junior seniors from 1964, February 14.
Wow, araw ng mga
Mandatory that you have to attend.
Yes.
The prom. Mandatory that you have to wear dark pants, dark shoes, barong Tagalog, or trobinais. Yeah. Now, siya ay sos, may sati pantalon ko nga pawan just below my knee. Awan mo, ti barong Tagalog ko. Awan, nagbulod ako ijay. Haro ba mipiman nila kay minisis. Da barong Tagalog ng butyog, kultitsan na. So nga,
loose.
o sarag, atidog ti payak na, ay sos, dakal kanyak. And then, the only shoes, dark shoes that I can use was the only balding shoes of my father. Kita ti tsurak. I am worse than a king kuy that you usually in the comic. Kalala, alas ti tsurak. The junior seniors prom, the instruction is the male will line up here, the female will line up there. You march towards the stage and whoever you will meet there, she will be your partner. Ikastam iti imam, kat isalabay na mo ti ima na, mapang kayo dyan. Idi, nagmarcha kami, kita kaya kat. So happened that, then naibatog kanya, classmate ko mo, Piman, the daughter of the boss of the powerhouse, Lepanto. I do not blame her.
Do you remember the name, sir?
I know the name.
Can you tell it to me later, sir?
I know the name. Eh, di kongkat. Dua nga po ko, hindi mana hindi barong Tagalog ko nga. Siguro maariyak ka na, beben natin na. Ay, apo yun. That was the time that I felt the feeling of a child, of a poor family.
Yeah.
Talagang ako. So nga, awanin. Miti katawan ti tao. That aggravated also my embarrassment. So nga, dumanong kami di likudan. Tim marayat nga rimwar from the hall at awan. Ang kumatipulan ti. I can remember 4 of my classmates nga ni Dinya Campos who unfortunately died. Ni Jane nga Dawi also died. So, ni Ruby nga gumiyak who also died. And then, Marina nga ununod. Sinurot na piman siya. Mika, sublita. You know, awan, I cannot anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Awanin.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.